everyone, hello, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we will see how to replace your images into the Canva provided elements like the grids and the frames and also into the templates. Without no further ado, let's get started. Yes, so here I have Canva open. So in previous tutorials I have shown how to create the designs for the card from the scratch, but here we will see just how to replace the images into the Canva provided templates or the frames and the other elements. So here I have opened the Canva. I've just opened a sheet which is for the YouTube channel. So I want to replace a custom image. So before that you will have to place the custom images into the section. So I have downloaded a couple of pictures here. You can do it as well. You can go to the uploads option here, upload media and upload the elements. Fine. So once the uploaded images are available under this section, you can start putting them into the element that Canva provides. So once you click on this elements option, you'll scroll down and see something called frames and grids. So both of these allow to replace your custom pictures into these frames or the grids. So let's just pick one and then you can go to the uploads and select any one of the picture and place it right in here. You can adjust the picture into the frame accordingly by clicking on the picture and dragging up and down the mouse. Fine. So let me do it once more. I will go and pick another frame, maybe a circle. I'm gonna place it here and pick another image. I'm gonna click on an image, put it inside the circle and leave the mouse button so it will get placed. If you want to resize or move the image, you can double click on the image and move it. Okay, so if you want to resize the complete frame, you can do that by clicking on the circle and pulling the corners of the frame. Fine. This is how you resize the image that you have put inside by double clicking it and then pulling the transparent part in and out. Fine. And the entire frame can be resized this way. So let me quickly go and pick up the grids that allows you to do that as well. So I'll just add another page to show you about the grid. So there are various grid options that you see here. So I'll select one of them, maybe this. So here I can basically replace two images. So I'm going back to the uploads, select one picture, drag and move it to whichever frame you want to apply and release the mouse button. Select another image, just one click, the image is seen on your page. Click on the image, drag on the two frames and release it. Double click on the picture and resize and adjust accordingly. Fine. And the frame can be resized this way. So I'm gonna push the cat like this. You can resize the entire frame. Yes. So there's another thing. So apart from using these frames with the grid and the frame option under the elements, you can also replace your images in the templates. So there are certain templates, something like maybe this. if you double click on the image, if the image pops out, it means you can replace the image with the custom ones. Okay, so I'm gonna replace this with the cat. Cool, isn't it? Yeah. So the templates as well allows you to replace your own images, but you will have to look for a particular one. All of them might not allow you to replace it. Maybe in this case it is the image in the frame that we saw, right? So I'm gonna replace that with the parrot. Okay, yeah, so that's it for this video.